The Redmi series by Xiaomi has become the bestseller in India. No surprise considering the excellent value proposition that they offer. And this has brought a lot of attention to the sub 20,000 price segment of India. And now a lot of other companies are trying to make phones in this price segment. Like the Oppo Realme 1 for example. This new kid on the block tries to provide a very similar experience in a much more beautiful body. Coming live from the show floor, here are our initial impressions of the Oppo Realme 1. Let's get started. Realme believes in the ideology that not all budget smartphones should have a boring generic design, and that is evident in this beautiful diamond cut glass back design. Different lighting makes it shine from different angles. Only the diamond black color variant has this design element, other variants are plain glossy. The phone is also one of the smaller ones available, with a 6-inch 18:9 display. It's reasonably narrow to use easily. Unlike Oppo phones of the yesteryear, this phone is not made with focus on just selfies and has a decent camera setup. In limited lighting on the show floor, the camera performed well. There is also support for AR stickers. The portrait mode performance was however mediocre. We could not get any photo samples from the event. On the inside, the phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio P60 processor. This is a deca-core processor where two of them are designated for AI. This is supposed to give performance which is better than other similarly priced phones. Another win for the Realme 1 is the RAM and storage configurations at various price points, where you can get the top-end model with 128GB of storage and a whopping 6GB of RAM for just 14,000 rupees. Impressive. For those looking for a well-performing device on a budget, be sure to keep your eye on the Realme 1 by Oppo. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. While you're there, stay subscribed to EOTO so you do not miss our full review of the Realme 1 when it comes. Thanks for watching.